The sun rises over the golden grasslands, painting the sky with hues of amber and rose. A new day dawns for the elephant family as they wake up from their slumber. Stretching their muscular legs and shaking their massive bodies, they begin their daily ritual. Leading the herd is the matriarch, the oldest female elephant, whose wisdom and experience guide them through the vast savannah. Behind her, a parade of elephants of all ages follow, each with their own story to tell. The youngest calf walks close to his mother, his tiny trunk held high in the air, taking in the sights and sounds of this new world. Every step he takes is a challenge as he tries to keep up with the rest of the herd. But his mother is always there to lend a helping hand or trunk, guiding him along the way. Drought has parched the land and water is scarce. The journey to the watering hole is long and arduous, but the elephants press on, their strong legs carrying them mile after mile. The matriarch leads them towards the setting sun, knowing that the cooler temperatures will make the journey more bearable. As the family walks, older sisters and aunts form a circle of safety around the little one, shielding him from any potential danger. Their tusks and strong bodies creating a protective barrier. Despite the dry and harsh world around them, a sense of unity and purpose binds the herd together. In the distance, a group of lions watches the elephants pass. They know that taking on a full-grown elephant is a task not worth the effort, for their thick skin and massive tusks make them formidable opponents. But a weak or young calf could be an easy target. The lions prepare to make their move. The matriarch, sensing the danger, raises her trunk high in the air, trumpeting loudly. A call that echoes across the savannah. The lions freeze in their tracks. She stares them down, her tusks glinting in the sunlight, daring them to make a move. The elephants continue their journey, their pace quickening, and the lions, respecting their power, slink back into the tall grasses, abandoning their hunt. After hours of walking, the parched earth gives way to a welcome sight, a waterhole shimmering in the distance. With renewed energy, the elephants pick up their pace, their excitement growing with every step. The sound of rushing water fills their ears, a melody that speaks of life and refreshment. When they reach the waterhole, the elephants trumpet with joy, their voices echoing across the plains. The little calf splashes about, his trunk spraying water high in the air. He takes his first steps into the water, feeling its coolness on his dry skin. His mother watches over him, her heart filled with pride and love. The elder elephants, with their years of experience, teach the young ones the best spots to dig for water and the routes to seek out when times are tough. These skills, passed down from generation to generation, are vital for survival during the dry season. As the sun climbs higher in the sky, the elephants finish their bath and head towards the shade of some nearby trees. The little calf snuggles close to his mother, feeling safe and loved. Around him, the other elephants doze off, their breathing slowing, their bodies relaxed. Dark clouds suddenly appear on the horizon, racing across the sky like horses. The wind picks up, rustling the leaves in the trees and sending the elephants into a frenzy of activity. The little calf hides behind his mother's legs, trembling as the first drops of rain fall. The elephants huddle together, their bodies forming a protective circle around the calves. The storm rages on, the thunder roaring like a hungry lion, shaking the ground beneath their feet. But the elephants stand firm, unyielding in the face of nature's fury. As the rain subsides and the clouds part, revealing a glimpse of the setting sun, the elephants emerge from their huddle, shaken but unharmed. The storm has passed, and a rainbow arches across the sky, a symbol of hope and new beginnings. With the sun setting over the horizon, the elephants settle down for the night. The little calf, tired from the day's adventures, snuggles close to his mother, his eyelids growing heavy. The other elephants gather around, their bodies forming a protective circle, as if to say, "We are family, and we will watch over you." In the distance, predators prowl, but none dare to disturb this peaceful scene. And so, the journey of the elephant family continues. A story of strength, love, and survival, where family is their greatest power.